Have you ever picked up an egg and wondered, should you throw it away? If I told you that with just 10 seconds and a bowl of water, you would know the exact answer. And if that egg is still good, I will show you how to turn it into golden, crispy, fluffy tofu egg balls that look like a restaurant dish. Watch until the end of the video, because I will guide you on how to arrange them into a beautiful pyramid shape. Let's begin. Method 1. Prepare a bowl of clean water. Gently place the egg into the water. Observe carefully. If the egg sinks to the bottom and lies flat, it is very fresh. If the egg sinks but stands upright, it is still edible, just not very fresh anymore. When placed in water, the egg sinks, and when you peel the shell, you will see that the freshness is still preserved. But if the egg floats to the surface, do not use it. Over time, the moisture inside the egg evaporates through the shell. Air gradually replaces that moisture. The more air there is gives the lower the density. Lower density makes the egg float. If the egg floats to the surface, it is a sign that the egg is spoiled. You should not use it. Where are you watching this video from in the world? Science is very simple. But this is a smart kitchen tip that can help you save money every month. Next time, check before throwing it away. Method 2. Now let's turn simple ingredients into a truly delicious dish. First, gently cut the soft tofu into small pieces, then put them into a bowl. Leave a comment below and share a friendly greeting from where you live. Every piece of feedback you share helps TopTips 247 improve and bring you even better quality videos. Next, crack 3 eggs into it. The golden yolks blend together with the smooth, soft tofu. Now, use a spoon to mash the tofu until completely smooth. Mash gently so the tofu crumbles and blends evenly with the eggs. The smoother it is, the softer and richer the dish will be when cooked. Next, add 3 tablespoons of cornstarch to the mixture. This is the secret that helps all the ingredients bind together. Next, add a little chopped green onion. If you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends and family so everyone can learn these great tips. Next, add a little finely chopped carrot. The bright orange color will instantly make the dish look more appealing. Not only does it add attractive color, but the carrot also brings a light natural sweetness. Next, season with a little salt and pepper. Just a small amount is enough to enhance the flavor. Salt helps balance the taste, while pepper adds a light, appealing aroma. Next, sprinkle a little grated cheese on top. When heated, the cheese will melt, creating a rich and aromatic layer. Mix gently until well combined. Do not mix too vigorously. Air is what helps the egg balls become fluffy. Tofu provides moisture. Eggs create structure. Cornstarch helps bind everything together. You will have a soft and lightly rich mixture. Professional shaping, use an ice cream scoop if available to portion evenly. Gently roll into round balls. If it sticks to your hands, dip your hands in water before rolling. Evenly sized balls gives cook evenly. Even cooking gives better texture. Better texture keeps viewers watching longer. Next, place a pan on the stove and heat it over medium heat. Add a little oil to prevent sticking. Wait until the oil is lightly heated before adding the mixture. Gently place each ball into the hot oil. Do not add too many at once, leave space so the egg balls have room to puff up. When exposed to heat, the outer layer begins to set and turn golden. Fry over medium heat so the outside becomes lightly crispy while the inside remains soft. Do not flip immediately. Let the bottom firm up and turn lightly golden before turning it over. If you flip too early, the egg balls may break apart. During frying, the moisture inside begins to expand. The proteins in the eggs gradually set, creating a firm structure. That combination helps the egg balls puff up naturally and become fluffy. When the egg balls are evenly golden, gently remove them. Place them on paper towels to absorb the excess oil. Method 3. Create the base. Use a clean white plate. Place a layer of fresh lettuce underneath. The green color helps highlight the yellow of the eggs. At the same time, it helps keep the balls from sliding. Arrange 6 to 8 balls into a circle close together. Choose the largest and most beautiful ones. Rotate the plate while arranging to make the circle even and balanced. Next time, check the pyramid peat.ck before throwing it away. Place a few cherry tomatoes around the base of the pyramid. Apply the 3-color rule: yellow, green, red. Simple but extremely eye-catching. Finally, lightly sprinkle a little toasted sesame seeds on top. The tiny sesame seeds bring a distinctive rich aroma. They not only make the dish more visually appealing, but also add an extra nutty richness. Finally, sprinkle a little chopped green onion on top. The fresh green color instantly makes the dish more eye-catching. The light aroma of green onion will enhance the appealing fragrance. And here is our final result. Golden egg balls with a lightly crispy and beautiful outer crust. With just a gentle touch, you can hear the irresistible crunch. Cut it in half and the inside is soft, fluffy and rich. The tofu retains perfect moisture. The eggs create a tender structure without being dry. Everything blends together into a simple yet incredibly appealing dish. This dish tastes best when served hot, crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. So next time you see an egg floating, don't panic. Check it. If it's still good, turn it into something amazing. Smart tip. Simple ingredients. Beautiful results. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Top Tips 247 to see more interesting kitchen tips. See you in the next video.